Welcome back. The final report of the Shah Commission is ready. Committee of Secretaries will go through the report and prepare the action taken report. The report will be sent to Cabinet and then tabled in Parliament. Meanwhile, Supreme Court Monitoring Committee on Mining is arriving in Goa on 10th to meet stakeholders.
On the Shah Commission, we have got a report. It's a voluminous report. It's a first report, and I think it's in 4 or 5 volumes. So we are asking a committee of secretaries to sit together and draw up the action taken report. As you're aware, the report of the Shah Commission, appointed under the Commissions of Inquiry Act, must be placed before Parliament together with an action taken report. Therefore, the action taken report will be drafted by a committee of secretaries, and then the Cabinet will take a final view on that. The Cabinet has gone through the Cabinet note and has been briefed on the contents of the Shah Commission report. So the Cabinet is now aware of the contents of the Shah Commission report. Now it has to be placed before Parliament together with an action taken report. Therefore, the draft action taken report will be prepared by the Committee of Secretaries. Cabinet will then take a final view, and both will be placed before the Parliament.
The Supreme Court Monitoring Committee of Mining is arriving in Goa on 10th of January. They are set to meet the chairman of MPT, the Customs Commissioner and the Panji Port chairman. Visits to mines and jetties of Goa is also on the to-do list of the committee. The committee will also take major decisions on e-permits for the auctioning of the dumps. A 2-member team of NEERI is in Goa to decide over the capping and environment impact of Goan mining. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Head-on collision between a national truck and a canter at Dharbandora claimed lives of 2 drivers. Arif Subani, 27 years old, lad from Naxar Kurti, and Rohit Kadir from Dandeli died on the spot in the accident.
In a fatal head-on collision between a national permit truck and a canter, 2 youth lost their life on the spot. Accident occurred at Dharbandora. The truck was on its way to Goa and the canter was proceeding towards Dandeli. The truck driver Rohit Kadir tried to drive the vehicle by the side of the road as the work of hot mixing of the road was going on. The canter and the truck banged with high intensity. Canter driver Arif Subhani and truck driver Rohit Kadir died on the spot. Both the bodies were stuck in the crushed vehicles. It took 3 hours to clear the jammed traffic. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Collem police detained a Russian couple for illegally working as a tourist guide. Both were detained at Collem when they were illegally guiding 2 groups of tourists. Later, both were released after depositing fine of 10,000 rupees each.
Collem police on Thursday detained Russian couple Daria Muchikova and Peter Kulis for illegally working as tourist guide in Goa. Acting on a complaint filed by Joseph Barreto, police detained them when they were illegally guiding 2 groups of tourists at Dudhsagar area. Police brought them before Director of Tourism and they were asked to deposit fine of 10,000 rupees each. Both were released with a warning not to repeat the crime.
Peter Kulis and Daria Mushankova ह्या रशियन नॅशनलांक बूक केले आणि फॉर इलिगली गाईड करताले विदाउट एनी वॅलिड डॉक्युमेंट्स एट दूधसागर 12 सुमारास आणि मागीर तांकां डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर टुरिजमा कडेन प्रोड्यूस केली तेन्ना तांकां प्रत्येकी 10,000चे फायन दिले आणि तांकां वॉर्न केले अशें तुमी इलिगल एक्टिविटीज करनाका.
With reporter Mukesh Kumar, Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.